Welcome to JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do the monthly reading of air signs Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. So for the month of December 2020, for the sign air signs. Okay, so let me start. This is the monthly reading. Okay, so your cards are okay. So in the month of December, you can see you are dealing with someone from whom you wanted clarity or who wanted clarity from you. Okay, at present you are required to take a decision. You will have to choose from two of the options, or there is something decision required. Okay, in your situation, whether in love relationship, in career, anything, or family. Okay, and in future you will be very passionate about whatever decision you will take. Okay, what I'm sensing, I'm that if in love relationship you will definitely reach a decision and you will go ahead with that decision very passionately. That will give you emotional satisfaction and overflowing emotion, whether in love or in finances. Okay, and that will make you feel like you are a victorious person. You will feel victorious in your life, whether in your career, in your finances, in your love life, in your family matters, or any prevailing and relation situation. Okay, so overall you can see that some clarity was pending. Decision will be in the past month of November. Something was pending, which you will definitely be able to take that decision, which will be best for you, and you will move ahead in the month of January with that passion, with that decision very passionately. Okay, that will provide you emotional balance and fulfillment, and this overwhelming satisfaction and happiness and emotional satisfaction by taking this decision. Okay, and you will feel like you are victorious. You have achieved something, some stability in your finances, in your career, in your love life, in your family matter, or any prevailing situation which was holding you from achieving this victory. Any pending decision, any option, you were required to choose between your parents, family, and your lover, or any third party situation, like third party like situation, or in some business, in like to choose a proposal or project which was necessary for you to take or decide upon. Okay, you will definitely be able to make the best out of that proposal decision pending. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. Overall, the bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles, that you will expect a lot from this month, whether in relationship, in your family matter, or in your career. Okay, there will be victory in some situation. Okay, I'm adding one more deck. Okay, I'm adding one more deck. Okay, so I'll pull 3 cards from that deck. These are my self-made. You will love it. Okay, if you can't walk against the stream, you can walk around the stream to go to grab the time when it weakens to hit your shot and achieve what you want. Okay, this card is saying if you are not able to confront any situation, you should not leave the ground. Okay, you shouldn't give up. You should wait for the right time to give it a right shot. Okay, and if you think people don't respect you, then it's not the right what you think about others. Okay, it's you who doesn't care about yourself due to your low self-esteem, and and you don't respect yourself and your space, and that is observed by others, and they do the same with you. Okay, you need to respect yourself. Okay, life is like a snake. If you are not alert, it bounces back into a trouble when we need to be ready for any challenge on the way. So this card is a card of alertness. You need to be alert this whole month, so that you couldn't enter into a problem, or you might get caught in some problem. You will have to protect yourself. Okay, protect yourself from any circumstances, any accidental or damaging circumstances. Anything you might bounce into something accidental. Not I'm saying that vehicle accident. Okay, anything that is not was not supposed to be happen, and it happened. It is accidental. Okay, so you will have to take care of any kind of mishap to happen, or a challenge coming on your way. You will have to be ready to face that. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is don't walk in a flock. Okay, don't walk in the flock, and don't at the same time don't become misplaced. Okay, don't leave your ambition and don't follow the flock. Okay, the people, okay, society, in blindly. Okay, anything what people are doing, you shouldn't follow that blindly. Okay, you should have a valid reason to follow that. Okay, that's your reading for the month of December. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius signs, Sun, Moon, Rising. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you. Okay, thank you.